Now, you may be wondering in some videos that I've just macroed like one knob, and the reason for that is mostly I use the macros, obviously if it's a mixture of things, but I mostly use them just for ease of use. If I want to change a certain sound in a certain way, I don't want to have to go into a synthesizer or open up a plugin. It's just there that I can just get straight to it. And it just makes it that much easier if you just want to modulate one knob rather than having to do a million at the same time and the same sort of peak and trough, etc. So I'm going to keep it at 6 and then just find a course up until where it gets to a part I don't really like, so let's keep on turning it up. Sounds a bit too high there. Let's do 13 because it's Friday 13th soon. So then edit macro map and make it 13. And this 6. So when we... Cool. Okay, so the next macro will be on operator C, and that'll be a sine wave as well. Except with this, we want more of the higher harmonic content because we didn't have enough in operator B. Bring this up quite a bit. Yeah, something like that. That keeps this sort of hollowness of a square wave to it. And not too much high end. So let's just kind of go up and see whereabouts it sounds great. About 14, yeah, I'd say. We want to macro this as well. So macro 3. So yeah, edit macro map, and then we want to make it 14. Awesome. Now if you wanted to, you can actually just make all of these except the sustain, like the B course and C level, just one macro. It could have some cool effects as well. But I find that with that, you don't have as much control because it's all in one macro. You know, naturally, that's what a macro does. So I just keep them separate for this. So the thing that gives it the pitch envelope is the pitch envelope, which gives it this sort of punch. And that basically adds an envelope, as you can see. So if I just kind of increase the attack. It basically gives it a bit of just a bit of a punch and a bit more interest to it. I'm going to increase the spread of it as well, just to make it a bit more stereo. Okay, so that's basically the synthesis of the sound. It's pretty simple FM bass.